Hey there, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk to you about the brand new Insta360 camera that's just been released and the DJI Osmo Action 6. We've got the latest update on that exciting new camera. All right, so the first camera we're going to look at is the brand new Insta360X4 AIr. Now this camera is 70% lighter than the X4, which came out not so long ago. It's got a worldwide launch date of the 28th of October. That's across the world, except for the US and Canada, which is going to follow probably sometime early to mid-November. The new camera is going to have up to 8K resolution with a battery life of up to 90 minutes. Now this is an entry-level camera from Insta360, but it still has heaps of great features. It's going to have dual 1/1.8 CMOS sensors. It's going to have flow state stabilization, and it's going to, of course, include Insta360's incredible invisible selfie stick option. You'll be able to take it underwater down to 15 meters, and for its price point, we're looking around about 350 USD. And incredibly, all this stuff is packaged into a camera that only weighs an incredible 165 grams. And there's been some new images released of the brand new and upcoming DJI Osmo Action 6. Now, if we have a look at the image right now, you'll see how it shows two different aperture options, an aperture option of 2.0 and 4.0. Now, if this is the case, and it looks like it is because these images look totally legit here, what that means is you'll have two different options for shooting with your action camera. The current Osmo Action 5 has an aperture of 2.8, which is pretty good for most circumstances, but to be able to have two different aperture options is a major step forward when it comes to shooting with action cameras. It's also going to have a bigger sensor as well. So if you have a look there at the image, it's going to show how the sensor is going to be 1/1.1. Now the current sensor on the Osmo Action 5 is 1/1.3, which is great for most circumstances, but a bigger sensor means that the camera is going to perform better in low light. And another exciting feature is it's going to be able to link up to certain brands of smart watches. So that means you'll be able to use your smart watch as a remote control when out filming with your camera. We also have a new release date too, and that's supposed to be the 10th of November. Originally, they did say around the middle or the end of October, but it looks like that time frame has now passed. So November 10 looks like it's going to be the date for the release of the brand new Osmo Action 6. Two exciting new action cameras, the 360 option from Insta360, and of course the Osmo Action 6. They're on the way, and I'm getting a little bit excited. To learn more about action cameras and accessories and all that kind of cool stuff, you want to click on this video over here now. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.